Ulster Ball is taking ages to make an episode again.
Just be patient.
Hey guys, our Cray found his old clothes the other day.
That's interesting.
Not really.
That's a little rude.
Stop mucking about. I need some help. The annoying kid and some of her mates started a fight with me.
Okay, this should be easy.
I see you brought some friends, Mr. J.
Do not reveal my real life name or I will reveal yours, annoying kid.
Okay, fine. I'm sorry.
Wait, is that you, Massman?
Yep, it is.
Wait, why do you sound like a woman?
Wait, my voice changed at birth. I guess I now have to reveal my true identity now.
No way, you are that ugly actor. I thought you were me from the future and was good.
I will always be a villain.
You should totally brain-rooted.
I would deem you a stickman.
I'm such a Sigma boy.
Oh dear, I think we will have to go back and fix Stickman.
So how can we enrot Stickman's brain?
I think we should give Ulster Ball a call. He's good at making non-brain rot memes.
That's a fair point, let's give him one.
Hello, cool teacher. What's going on?
The annoying kid and her mates turned Stickman brain-roded and Cactus said you can fix it.
I can do.
Hey guys, have you seen the news?
No, what is it?
The annoying kid and her mates are causing massive destruction.
Hey guys, do you know what else is massive?
What?
That's so Sigma.
Oh no, now the cool teacher is brain-roded.
I'm here now. Can you please help Stickman and the cool teacher? Sure.
What just happened?
Some minger turned you brain-rotted.
Hello, Skibidi Man.
Oh dear, they got the cool teacher too. I will fix him.
Thanks for the help, Ulster Ball. Can you help us defeat annoying kid and her friends?
Sure can do. Hello, annoying kid. I heard you were causing trouble.
Oh no, it's Ulster Ball. I gotta get out of here.
I guess that leaves you too.
We are going to kick your ball.
Everyone attack. They have finally been defeated.
Thanks for the help, Ulster Ball.
Where are these cats the annoying kid told us to fight?
I don't know, I have some beef to settle with Cat 2.